It's Accountech Bytes, your pint-sized parade of plugins and platforms, bringing you the latest from the world of accounting technology. I'm Tom Herbert, and thank you very much for tuning in. If you find this useful, please remember to like, subscribe, or follow. Now, I don't often cover the world of high finance, but when it affects accounting software, I'm ready to roll my sleeves up and get stuck in. This from the Times that tech backer HG Capital, a private equity investor specializing in software. If you've not heard of HG, then they either own or have a stake in companies like Access Group, Bright, Caseware, Dext, Iris, Silverfin, and Visma. And the Times reports that they have written down the value of 2/3 of the largest companies in their portfolio. Why have they done this? Well, they've cited the indiscriminate sell-off in the software sector that has largely been fueled by fears that artificial intelligence generalists like Claude or ChatGPT could release functionality that would either undercut or replace some of those existing software tools. Please correct me in the comments if I'm thinking about this all wrong, but it does seem a bit of a reach that profitable companies that do their job well are being written down, potentially seeing their ability to build new tools or support customers cut because the market believes that uneconomic and currently unproven tools are going to replace them. Again, maybe I'm overthinking this. Now, we've covered the line of big firm job cuts being evidence that AI is finally arriving in professional services before. James O'Dowd has a really good take on this. In his view, the real story is that clients are demanding lower fees. Profit margins were already wafer thin, and now firms are being told explicitly by their clients that if they can't use technology to bring those costs down, then they'll just go somewhere else. He continues, the catch is I've yet to encounter a professional services firm that's genuinely AI enabled in the way the leadership team is claiming externally. It's interesting that arbitrage window is already disappearing, that ability to charge the existing prices and use AI to bring down the cost of delivering that service and enjoying the profit in the middle. That seems to be evaporating even before AI technology is actually proving useful. Fantastic piece here from Senga Pryor over at the ATT on HMRC's latest policy paper on its strategic approach to third-party software. This, as she writes, confirms what many in the profession have already discovered through experience. The UK tax compliance system either now runs on commercial software or will do so in the near future. While the policy paper presents an optimistic vision of innovation and efficiency, it arguably underestimates the risks inherent in shifting core elements of tax administration almost entirely to the commercial software market. But HMRC has made it clear it will not be returning to building and maintaining its own end-to-end products, instead acting as a kind of guardian or steward, setting guardrails, publishing standards, and intervening where necessary. As the article says here, this vision depends on assumptions about the market that may underestimate risks around affordability, accessibility, and choice. Let's get to some raised news now, and Treasury technology tool MBAT has landed 30 million euros to build the future of corporate treasury. So this is a Series B fund round where the fintech plans to modernise treasury operations for mid-market companies and accelerate expansion across the UK and Ireland. Congrats to accounts receivable tool Adfin for raising $18 million in their Series A fundraise. And Adfin plans to use the cash to help businesses using Adfin to automate their entire finance process, get paid earlier, and automate a lot of those manual tasks involved in the receivables process. And last but not least, congratulations to month-end close tool Mayday, which has raised a £3 million or $6 million Aussie dollar seed round. Their aim is to help fast-growing businesses with multiple entities or multiple instances of accounting software to bring all that data together without the full ERP. Cloud accounting platform Xero has written to customers to apologize after 5 days of platform disruption for customers. As you can see from their status page, customers have been having trouble getting on the platform, although it's now marked as resolved. Just a week and a bit to get your entries in for the Accounting Excellence Awards 2026. If you're a firm or a finance function who puts humans first, why not put them forward? accountingexcellence.co.uk for more details. Let's get on some new stuff now. An accounting suite, Iris, has launched Iris Firm Management, a practice management platform that they're calling purpose-built for mid to large UK accounting firms. IFM, as they're calling it, brings together practice management, time and billing, WIP management, and financial reporting into a single integrated solution. And Iris Senior Product Manager Nick Lloyd has more news for us, introducing group accounts in Iris Elements Accounts Production, Enterprise Edition, featuring dedicated group structure workflow, FRS 102 and IFRS Ready, intercompany eliminations and consolidation adjustments, and Nick also introduces us to lead schedules. They're live for limited and LLP clients in professional and enterprise editions. So it's now possible to generate a full set of lead schedules and see exactly how your trial balance and adjustments flow through to the financial statements. Now, back in March, I wrote about Dext's AI assist tool, dubbed Supplier Rules on Steroids, like the headline. So their agent designed to take the human judgment behind thousands of daily bookkeeping decisions and encode it into repeatable automation. Well, they've now expanded that with core guidance. So a library of pre-configured guidance items aligned to regional compliance standards and available immediately to Dext users as part of their existing subscription. Mid-market cloud accounting platform iPlicit has launched an AI analytics suite designed to let finance teams query live accounting data in natural language. So iPlicit Insights is its first major release under its AI Pulse platform and focuses on an executive finance dashboard offering real-time visibility into metrics like cash flow, profit and loss, and age debt. And another piece of iPlicit news, and they have partnered with fintech Pleo with the aim of bringing corporate cards and an automated spend management solution to mid-market finance teams across the UK and Ireland. And here's a new AI product on the scene, Combinely, which is attempting to move AI in accounting beyond chatbots and into the workflow with an agent-style system layered over the top of your existing firm's software that can draft replies, review tax work, and carry out tasks in the way that a junior would. And here's one from Proposal's onboarding tool, Socket. You can take your meeting transcript, upload it to Socket, and it will create a proposal for you. Lots of new updates from the folks at document management tool Content Snare. So you have things like salutation fields. So the name the client likes to go by. You can pull this straight into Content Snare and use it as a variable field in app. A recurring/bulk request CSV import tool, tables, and auto manual file renaming. Payroll and HR tool Deal is now offering embedded payroll payments for UK businesses, courtesy of Cresco. I mentioned Adfin earlier. Well, you can now use it to take card payments from clients over the phone so you can get paid immediately while speaking to them. And consolidation tool Join has launched Join Intelligence. So among the features are 3 AI agents they've recently shipped. So the report pack builds multi-page packs by description. The eliminations agent handles intercompany flows with a full audit trail, while the chart of accounts agent restructures and standardizes your chart in chat. Anyway, that's your lot for today. Thank you very much for watching. As always, if you'd be kind enough to like, follow, and subscribe, I'd be immensely grateful. I'll be back next week with another video. Bye for now.